In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your ElevenLabs account step by step, the right way, so you can fully delete it if you no longer need it. If you've decided to move on from ElevenLabs, whether you're cleaning up old accounts, simplifying your subscriptions, or just no longer using the platform, this guide will walk you through the entire process clearly and quickly. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account. You'll need to be logged in before you can access the account settings and start the deletion process. Once you're in Seaside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where your account options are stored. After you click the profile icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage your profile, preferences, and account options. Once the settings page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. ElevenLabs keeps the account deletion option near the bottom of the page, so you'll want to go slowly and make sure you don't miss it. When you reach the bottom, look for the red Delete Account button. This is the option that begins the permanent account closure process. Click that button and ElevenLabs will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the account. This confirmation step is important because account deletion is usually permanent and may remove your data, settings, and access to saved content. Next, enter the email address associated with your ElevenLabs account. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears on the account, since this is used to verify that you are the rightful owner. After entering your email address, double check it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once the email has been entered, click Delete Account to permanently close your ElevenLabs account. At this point, the platform will process the request and your account deletion should go through. After that, you should no longer be able to access the account unless ElevenLabs has any additional recovery policy in place, so be sure this is the action you want before confirming. And that's it. Your ElevenLabs account has been closed. If you are trying to permanently remove your account, you've now completed the process from start to finish. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other app or account deletion process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.